Afternoon, Wagwan guys, and good. Everybody doing well today. Welcome back in the people. You know, some more mix up and drama there because we come to talk about Queen Bee, Planka Boss, the pastor, and you know the whole social media drama. You see me? Because from other day the pastor buy the 10 ticket from the Planka show, you know. People that say what they want to say. You see me? I say and people free voice some opinion, but to me that hurt somebody feelings. You see me? Some people hurt. Some people feel like say the pastor a buy into Planka shop and is trying to be a part of the Planka shop. And apparently she say him getting through. Now me I talk about Queen Bee guys. Queen Bee went driving to talk about DONNA and the event and also the pastor. And she also said the Planka them broke because some of the ticket them now sell allegedly. That is what she's saying. So guys, leave an honest opinion down below. Remember to like this video. Very important. So hit that like button and listen to me. Because guys, social media is a place where you can't trust. Social media is a place where you have to just come and go. Less talking and more progress. See me? Now when we look at things now guys, I understand, I realize that is that everybody want to be a part of this social media drama. Everybody want to be a part of DONNA event. Everybody want to be close to DONNA. And some of them don't like DONNA, but yet still they want to talk about our event. To me, if you don't like DONNA, not talk about our event none at all. I will know say Jennifer Barron, which is Queen Bee, not like DONNA none at all. A long time Jennifer Barron a burn a fire upon DONNA, and you see it now she continue regarding this. Because how can you say the Planka them broke? Why are you watching the woman event? You see me? What is your objective? What your motive? What you want to do? What you want to come out of this event that is gonna take place sometime in this month? The woman has still her ticket them. If you not have nothing to do with DONNA, I know like DONNA. Why are you taking part and saying all these things about DONNA event? Why you just make the woman do her thing, man, and just butt up, man? Why you feel say the pastor not genuine? Why you feel say the man a buy into the Planka team? Why not ask say some things and on the feel say when you say people must listen to you and then say yes? Well, me no feel so. And even if I buy the Planka team them, make God deal with him. You see me? Make God deal with him. Because one thing I know, you know, God know everything at time, know your heart, and him know what you're capable of doing. So if Queen Bee decides say, yo, this pastor fake, and him a try buy into the Planka team by buying so many tickets. You see me? Let's watch and see. Because we know for certain say, yo, God know every little thing at all, people. And when you really look at what go up on social media, you realize say, yo, when they have an event, you have some people ever come out and go out and want to start a problem, or they want to come out and so they want to say and try bring in a woman event, or try seek as much attention as them want. You see me? But them understand saying, yo, this event is about the Planka and them who real to DONNA. Not the Planka them and real to DONNA. So them people they know I can come out and with full support. So Queen Bee, you have to understand saying, yo, you see DONNA, she's very influential. So even if some of the ticket them not sell off, they might gonna sell off eventually. So you can't come to your platform and just say what you want to say and thing, you see me? Because guess what? Up to this day, we don't know who is this pastor man. He's doing so many good things and continue to do good. We don't see him do no bad up to this day, and we don't want him do no bad. So how can you say the man a buy into Planka Teran? How can you say, yo, him a try friend DONNA fi be a part of the whole Planka thing? If the man want buy 5 or 6 or 20 ticket, it's up to him. Nobody at all can stop him. But you are one person, Jennifer Barron, where attack. You buy your ticket, are you going to the event? Are you going to the event? So how can you come out and attack? See, the other day, you say you buy 2 tickets. And you said, Stacey, I send threat to you and all kind of things. And Planka Boss clarified on the live and say, yo, not all ever go so. You see me? And we know say you're full of mischief. You always come on people platform, or should I say, you always I do your live and I talk about people. See me? And I try to disrupt them platform. And you know, understand, say, yo, it's a matter of time before people figure you out. Some people know who you is, you know. Some people know who you is, and the people them know, say, yo, you try your best as possible to seek forgiveness from Planka boss. Because you messed up, and you keep on mess up. And if you buy so many cakes from DONNA and did so many good reviews about DONNA, why are you coming out now and talk about the woman event? See me? And I said the people them who support DONNA them Bruk. I know good pan them because at least all the ticket them shall sell already. Who are you? Who are you to saying all these things? Me not get that thing of people. Me just not understand what really are going on. I try to look into it and then I say to myself, say, look like the Queen Bee does love give herself trouble. See me? And especially when DONNA event them a come around, she always a come out with some foolish. And to me, it's like Marcia Campbell influence still upon her. She can't change. Marcia Campbell influence still in her genes. So rather than she become straight, she become lean. See me? And then she pretend like say she's all that, like she's an angel. No angel around here, man. Me always shall laugh of Ashanti 360. You see me? And me I say, yo, this lady here come for cause problem. She come for cause disruption pan the media and social media. She need to just stop it, man, and just leave people, but them live them life. If DONNA want to keep her event and sell out all the ticket them, it no matter to her. If all the ticket them not sell, it no matter to her. Why we as black people love come talk some things against black people? Why we so bad man and dirty and we not on the event that keep? So why are we talking about people event? Why are we saying certain things about people event and we ourselves not have none? We ourselves no plan for have the event at all because we not have the money or broke like that. But I could never expect none better from Jennifer Barron because once she was a friend of Marcia Campbell. That's where the trouble come from. That's where it all happened. You see me? Because what it happened? Once she usually run DONNA, run MC, automatically she become corrupt. Automatically she become bad mind. Automatically she become jealous and she don't want good happen for you. You see me? Because there's no way at all you can say you support DONNA business and then you come around now. And that's how you feel if you say about Planka boss. Leave the lady alone, man. Leave the lady alone. Mind you are the one who buy into the Planka them. Mind you are the one where I try to get involved in the Planka them, guys. So people know me talk about Queen Bee is a real troublemaker on social media. You see me? And is that she always seem as if she had tried sitting. And to me, again, if the pastor want to be a part of the Planka them, make him be a part. Yeah, man, make him be a part, man. If you want to donate, make him donate people. Queen Bee, have to understand that. See me, people free for do what they want to do. So, let's just go and watch and so I go on. See me? But, just see the people, man, when the man spending money and doing what to do. I feel money, and if he want to do that, it's up to him. Me and you can't stop that. So whether you support DONNA, whether you support DONNA, yes or no, if I understand, say, yo, people free for do what they want to do. See me? Leave the man alone and go sort out yourself. Because you can't stop people from doing what they want to do. Straightforward. See me? You can't stop people to enjoy them lifestyle. See me? If they want to spend out all them last cent on DONNA, you can't stop that. You see me? I just say it go people. So, best upon yourself here, guys. And thanks everyone for watching the video. Thanks everyone for liking the video. And thanks everyone for leaving their thought in the comment section, guys. It has been a joy, happiness. Just stay focused on the goal ahead and do the right thing, people. You see me? The Queen Bee go and do fair thing. You see me? So, stay tuned. We have new video for drop soon, guys. But let's watch and so I go on. Make Queen Bee go and give herself trouble on social media. The people them sue, come for her address her. The Planka them. You see me? So Take care, people. Bless up. I'm out.